Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see what is AWS SNS and how it works. Guys, SNS is a push-based messaging service that delivers one message to multiple subscribers instantly. So guys, here a publisher, that can be any app or a server, will publish a message to this SNS, and in SNS we can add multiple subscribers like Lambda, email, and as soon as this SNS receives any message, it will push that message to all its subscribers. So guys, let's see how it works. So guys, we are in AWS console. Let's create an SNS first. So we'll search SNS here. Let's click on that top left button. Open the topics. So guys, the full form of SNS is simple notification service. So guys, in SNS, we'll have to create a topic. So let's create a topic. Here we have two types, FIFO and standard. So today we'll create a standard topic and let's provide the topic name. Dev by Shashank SNS demo topic, and just leave all the configuration as it is and create the topic. So guys, our SNS topic is ready now. Now we have to add the subscribers. So for subscribers, first we need an email address and second is consumer lambda. So let's create publisher lambda first, that will publish the message to this SNS, and then we'll create consumer lambda. So let's create a lambda. Create a function and let's provide the function name dev by Shashank SNS demo lambda, and in the runtime we'll select Python 3.14 and create the function. So guys, our lambda function has been created. Let's go to the code section. So guys, here we'll write a very simple code. Let's create a message that will send to SNS. So here we'll create a JSON object, and here we can put anything. And instead of JSON object, we can even provide a string or a number, anything. The first key is source, and here let's write publisher lambda. Second key, let's say message. Hello from SNS demo lambda function. So guys, this is our message that will send to SNS. Now, as you know, to interact with AWS services from Lambda, we need Boto3. Okay, so let's import Boto3 here. And let's check the documentation of Boto3 SNS. Guys, if you are new to Boto3, it's very easy and you do not even need to remember any methods. You just go to Boto3 documentation and there you can find the API that you need to call. Okay, so I'll show you. So we'll search Boto3 SNS. Let's open this link. So guys, first we'll have to import Boto3 and then we'll have to create a SNS client. Now here, if you see, these are the available methods that we can use. So guys, if you see here, we have this publish method and what it does, let's see. So guys, this publish method sends a message to SNS topic. Okay, and let's see what are the parameters that we need. So here, if you see, these are the parameters that we can provide in this publish method, but we don't need all these parameters. We need only few things. So guys, here the first thing is topic ARN. So here we'll have to provide the ARN of the SNS topic that we just created. Then we need to provide our message that we want to send to the topic. And if needed, we can even provide the subject. We'll use only these three fields for now. Subject is optional here. These two are mandatory, topic ARN and message. So let's write a function. First we'll create SNS client and let's provide the topic ARN. So we'll go into this SNS topic that we just created, and here we'll copy this ARN and let's put it in this lambda. Now let's call that publish method. SNS client dot publish, and here we need to provide a topic ARN. Second is message. So here we'll provide the message that we created above, and third is subject. And here let's put SNS demo and let's print the response. message published to SNS and then response. Okay. And here we'll return message sent to SNS. So guys, our Lambda is ready. Let's deploy this code. So guys, as we are using this publish method, so we need to provide access to this Lambda role as well. So let's open the IAM role. Let's click on this add permissions, create inline policy. Here we'll select SNS in service. In the actions, we need to search for publish. Let's select this publish. And in the resources, we'll select all. Click on this next button. Provide the policy name and create the policy. So guys, our Lambda role has been updated. Now let's create a consumer Lambda. And let's create the function. Let's provide the function name. Dev by Shashank, SNS demo consumer Lambda. Runtime will select Python 3.14 and create the function. Guys, our Lambda has been created. Let's go to the code section. And guys, here we'll just log this event object. Print json.dumps event. This much code is enough for this Lambda. So guys, as this is a consumer Lambda, we can implement our core logic here. But as part of this demo, we are just logging this event object so that we can see what we are receiving in the event. Now let's deploy this code. So guys, our both the Lambdas are ready now. Let's go to SNS and add the subscribers. So we are in SNS. Here if you scroll down, we have this subscription tab. Now here let's click on this create subscription. So guys, first we need to select the protocol. So let's see what are the protocols available here. Here we can integrate Kinesis data firehose, SQS, Lambda, email JSON, HTTP, HTTPS, platform application endpoint, SMS. Okay, so for now we're going to add only Lambda in email. So first let's add Lambda. And here we need to select the consumer Lambda. So this is the consumer Lambda that we just created. And just leave all the configuration as it is and create the subscription. So guys, here if you see the status is confirmed here. Okay, so this subscription is ready. Now let's create one more subscription, that is email address. We'll go into this topics again, open it. And here let's click on the create subscription again. And this time in protocol, we'll select email. And in the endpoint, we'll have to provide our email address. So guys, this is a demo. So I'm going to create a temporary email for that. And if you are doing it in your account, you can provide your personal email address here. Okay, but for demo, I'm creating a temporary email. So for that, I'll open internet.xt free temporary email. So it will generate a random email for me. So this is a temporary email that it has generated. I'll copy it and now I'll paste it in SNS. Okay, and just leave all the configuration as it is and create the subscription. So guys, here if you see, the status is pending confirmation. But in case of Lambda, it got confirmed immediately. So guys, the reason is Lambda was part of this account. So it got confirmed automatically. But this email is external. So guys, what this SNS does, it sends a confirmation email on the email address that we have provided. So let's go to that email box. So this is the inbox. I'll just click on this refresh button. So guys, here we have received an email and it is for AWS notification subscription confirmation. Okay, so guys, here we have this link confirm subscription. Let's open it. And the subscription got confirmed. Okay, now let's go to this SNS and just reload this page. So guys, if you see here, the status is confirmed now. So now our both the subscribers are ready. So guys, let's go to this topics. Open this topic. So guys, here both our subscribers are ready and the status for both the subscribers is confirmed. Now let's go to the publisher Lambda and send the message. So this is our publisher Lambda. We'll click on this test button and let's test it. So guys, here we have received an error. Let's fix it. We'll go into this code section. So guys, here the thing is, so guys, in the message we have provided a dictionary. We'll have to convert it into a string. So let's do JSON dumps here. And now let's deploy this code again. Let's maximize it. So guys, our code has been deployed successfully. Now let's test it. We'll invoke it. So guys, this time if you see, the message has been sent to SNS successfully, and this is the response that we have received. It has provided the message ID and the response metadata. Okay. Now let's check the logs of consumer Lambda first. We'll go into this monitoring section, open CloudWatch logs, scroll down, and let's open this log string. So guys, here if you see, this is the event that it has received from SNS, and here the event source is SNS. We have the subscription ARN, and here if you see inside this SNS, we have this message. Source is publisher lambda, message is hello from SNS demo lambda function. Okay guys, so this is how it works. So guys, here in our consumer lambda, we can implement the code to process this message. Okay, now let's check the email. Let's refresh it. So here we have received an email. Let's open it. And if you see here, the subject is SNS demo. So this is the same subject that we have provided in the publisher lambda. If I'll show you. So here in the subject, we provided SNS demo. And this is the message that we sent. Source is publisher lambda, message is hello from SNS demo lambda function. So guys, this is how it works. Guys, I hope it's clear to you. So guys, what we did, we created a publisher lambda. From there, we sent a message to this SNS. In SNS, we created two subscriptions, one for lambda and one for email. And then this SNS pushed the message to both its subscribers. So guys, I hope this concept is clear to you now. And if yes, please put a thumbs up in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video, we'll see what are Lambda destinations. And there we'll see success and failure flows as well. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any doubt, just put it in the comment box.